everyone, welcome back to Shamish Learning. I'm Zabaish Abdi and today I am going to show you how to draft a convertible collar pattern. This is a simple yet versatile collar that can be used in many different designs. So let's get into the video. First, we will begin by drafting a rectangle. The dimensions of the rectangle are 18 cm by 7 cm. The 18 cm represent the length of the collar and the 7 cm represents the height. Now on the height, which is 7 cm, we are going to mark a point at 3 cm from the bottom. Once we have marked this, draw a horizontal line across the width of the rectangle at this 3 cm. This line will act as a guide for shaping the collar. Next, let's divide the length of the collar, which is 18 cm, into 3 equal parts, and each part will be 6 cm. This division will help us in shaping the collar curve. Now extend it by 1.5 cm outward along the vertical line of 18 cm. This will give the collar a more natural shape when folded. Now here, using a French curve, add shape to your collar. Here is the crucial part. Draw a line 6 cm in length diagonally, and this line should pass through and touch the 1.5 cm extended point. The diagonal line creates the edge of the collar. Again, using a French curve, add the shape to your convertible collar. Once you are happy with the curve, the pattern is ready to be cut out. Carefully cut along the lines you have drawn to reveal your convertible collar pattern. And there you have it, your convertible collar will be ready to use, and you can use this collar to any of your garment. So yes, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Shamish Learning for more fashion tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.